Kyle the Menace Mohan.
I'm Kyle Mohan. This is the American Ethanol Mazda Trix RX-8. Title sponsors American Ethanol. We're running a 1,000 horsepower 3-rotor Mazda rotary motor with top 1 synthetic oil, rotary parts by Mazda Trix, precision ball bearing turbo and wastegates, Mishimoto radiators, double pass oil coolers, custom fuel injectors by Evolve Injection, engine assembly, porting, polishing by Kyle Mohan Racing. WiseFab suspension, Megan Racing coilovers with Swift springs, XXR wheels, WP Pro brakes, WinMax brake pads, NRG Innovations, full racing seats, KMR edition steering wheel, HGT Precision 5-speed sequential gearbox, Haltech Elite ECU. If you want to see more about my car, head to the Formula Drift Garage at wheelwell.com.